When I started working as a nail tech, I couldn't find any salon for a part-time job because I could only work in the evenings and I had to go to college during the day. I felt a bit uncomfortable having strangers in my apartment, so I decided to do mobile services. Yes, I thought that for a 16-year-old girl, going to strangers' houses is not really dangerous. And by the way, I have many funny and a few scary stories during that time, but let's talk about it in another video. The biggest challenge for me was the amount of product I had to carry with me all the time. I didn't have driver's license or a car back then, so I had to use public transport to get to my client's place. So I had this 5-kilo bag with me all the time because I had e-file, table lamp, UV lamp there. I was surprised that not everybody owns a lamp in their house and even a table, and not everybody has chairs. Anyways, long story short, I was asking my clients about their color preference in the morning, and then I was packing my stuff. But you know how it works. In the morning, you feel like having a sky blue manicure, and by the time I arrive at like 6 p.m., you decided that you need black nails with a golden glitter. That happened a lot, by the way. And I knew that it's a thing, so I always had 5 to 6 extra colors with me, just in case. Some clients were directly asking me, can you please take all your pastel nude pink colors that you have so I can take a look and pick one? And I did. After 3 hours of doing acrylic extensions on a client, sitting in a kid's chair where my butt could barely fit, leaning all the time, my back was like, please stop doing this. But I had another client, so I put them that 10-ounce bag on my shoulder and just go to another place. If only I had O-pen tool back then, that might solve so many problems. Are you interested to figure out what it is and how it works? Keep watching. Hello, I'm Anastasia. We are going to unpack and review the O-Pen StyleMate Kit by O2 Nails. New DIY tool for gel nail polish that can create up to 120 colors simply by the guideline of app. So let's open and take a look inside. So here we can see the colors that we can create with this kit and the kit itself. The kit includes 5 color mixing pans of 7 milliliters, nail guard stickers, LED gel light, nail cleanser pad, mixing plate, nail brush, double-sided nail file, and instructions. First, we need to download O-Pen app. Select the color of your choice and it will show you the pens that you need as well as the amount of gel. Follow the ratio instructions and simply mix it. Let's do something orange. I was thinking of this one, 370. Okay, and here you can also select on how many nails do you need. Let's say your client wants to have it on all 10 nails, then you pick 10 and you get the recipe for 10 nails. But now we're going to try it on a tip, just one, so I will need 1. I will put on my gloves because I always use them whenever I'm working with the gel products. I just do not want any skin contact. And also I kind of want to hide my outgrown hand that I never have time to do fill. So this plate comes in a kit as well. We will need red, white, and yellow. 3 colors for this one. So I need 1 part of red. So I turn selector into 1 and then open the lid and just pour 1 drop. Do not forget to close it. Then we need 5 parts of white. 5. Close. And 5 parts of yellow. Close it. All right, now let's mix it. I will be using my silicone brush because it's so easy to clean afterwards. So I will just mix it all together. It's kind of mesmerizing process, right? Like, can you believe that out of this mess we will get this pretty light orange color? I would say it's like carrot with milk or something, you know, like, or mango smoothie. Okay, that's the official name for this color now. Mango smoothie. All right. Now let's apply it on the tip. I like the consistency. It's medium, it's not too runny and also not too thick. So it feels pretty comfortable both for mixing and application. And cure in LED. They have this small 2.5 watt lamp in a kit, but you can also use your own. All right, first coat cured, let's apply the second one. Actually, there's definitely a bit more than just one nail. Maybe they just give these instructions considering that the nails might be long. So yeah, I assume that will be definitely enough, maybe for even another half of the tip. Well, for another coat for sure. And we cure. All right, that was fun. Let's do another one. So let's pick something like this, like bluish, purplish jeans color, 1030. All right, so here's the recipe. One nail again. I will need black, red, white, and blue. 4 colors to create it. Wow. Okay, so 1/2 of black, 1 part of red, four parts of white, and 3 parts of blue. Close and let's mix it. Wow, at this point it's kind of hard to believe that something good is going to come out of it. But yeah, we can already see this purple color. So obviously all the screens are different, so the colors might not match like exactly the color on your screen just because they're all different. So if you want to create like a certain color, it's definitely better to try it first. But yeah, that's pretty cool. Let's apply this one on a tip. And cure. So the color is pretty intense. It has a good coverage even just with one coat. Let's apply the second coat just to see how this color looks with the two. But like I said, it would definitely be enough to have just one coat. And cure. So obviously I couldn't stop right away, so I mixed more colors. Okay, it works really well by itself, but I wonder how it will work on real hands. Let's try it on one of my clients and we will figure this out. This client prefers pink colors, so we decided to do something like an ombre or a gradient, starting from the dark pink going lighter and lighter. So we are going to mix 5 different colors. We will need blue, 2 parts of red, and also white. So the more white we will add, the lighter color will be. So it is better to start with the dark ones, because if you have some product remaining, you can also use it to create a lighter tone later. So the color is pretty cool, some kind of dusty fall color, dusty pink. And now let's apply it on the nail. I'm using a soft gel brush to do that, and I definitely love the consistency as well as the intensity of the color.
Can you guys see how easy it is to apply? And it has a really good coverage even with one coat. So I already did cuticle care and applied base coat on this nail, so I'm just showing you the color part right away. Wow, the coverage is definitely excellent. So I chose one nail for each color, and it was still too much for these nails. We still have some product remaining, but that's fine. I guess that really depends on the size, on the length of the nails. So I cured the first coat, and now let's apply the second, even though the one coat is very intense, but I think with two we just have a little bit more depth of the color, but definitely you can use one coat with most colors when you will mix them with this product. Our original idea to create like a color gradient did not work 100% because one color turned out to be a bit different, more like reddish pink. This one, by the way, this one is more like coral, and I guess it happened just because the screen, they all have different resolutions and we see colors a little bit differently. Well, that's pretty obvious because when we are shopping for gel polishes, they also look a bit different on the screen compared to what we have in the real life. But I guess it's okay because this color still matches with other colors as well. When any gel polish colors are so intense, they might have this wrinkling problem because they probably contain too much pigment. Well, I didn't have this problem here, but anyways, you need to stick with the thin coats. Do not apply too much color of whichever brand you're using. It cures for 30 seconds in LED, and you can use it with any base coat and top coat of any professional brand. And this is the final look. What do you guys think?
I think this is the great DIY product. It is definitely a must-have for mobile nail technicians and beginners who do not own hundreds of gel polish colors yet. What do you guys think? Would you use something like that? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. I will leave the link to this kit in my description box as usual, and thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time here on my channel, consider subscribing to not miss more reviews and nail art tutorials, just like this one. See you in my next one. Goodbye!